Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing the JBL Quantum 50 wired in-ear gaming headset. Now, this is the front side of the packaging and we can see what the headset actually looks like. These are IEMs, in-ear monitors, and we have a bit of JBL branding. This is part of the Quantum line, which is made for gaming. There are a couple of features that they like to call out on the packaging. On the front side, you have one being that there's a little slider on the control pod that allows you to mute the microphone. And on the bottom, they've given you a compatibility list of all the platforms that work with the Quantum 50. So that includes mobile phones, Nintendo Switch, Xbox, PlayStation, PC, Mac, and VR consoles. On the left hand side, you have a little slogan. On the bottom, it's mostly to do with trademark. And on this side, you have some things of note. First being that you get control with the control pod, which has not only a slider for the volume, and there's also a little second slider for the microphone mute functionality. And then you have a little graph over here showcasing JBL's QuantumSound Signature. Now, this is something that JBL tunes each of their quantum devices or audio devices for, and that allows game immersion, helping gamers to get every detail in their audio. And you can also see how the graph for the sound signature varies against their normal JBL sound signature. On the back side, we have a bit more information that the JBL Quantum 50 uses 8.6mm drivers powered by the QuantumSound Signature. Then you have an inline voice focus microphone. You've got Twistlock technology for comfort stability on the go. And it's compatible with all platforms. Over here, we have a list of everything that's found on the inside. And there's also a couple of certifications that they'd like to state that this thing works out of the box with Skype and TeamSpeak, which are popular VoIP clients for gamers. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. So inside, you have a little plastic clamshell wherein we can see all the extra tips that you get. So you have two large size tips as well as two small size tips. The medium ones come pre-installed on the earphones. So first you have a little note of thanks and also appeals that you register your device for claiming warranty. Then you have the warranty statement. Always read through this to understand exactly what is covered. And obviously check the Amazon store page to understand the warranty period. Then you have a product note. This would be mostly declaration and warnings. Again, always read through this. Then there's a small note regarding the presence or rather absence of hazardous materials in the construction of the earphones. The last thing is the Quantum 50 Quick Start Guide. Again, you should always read the Quick Start Guide to understand exactly what all features your device has and how you can go about using it properly with every single platform of choice. The last thing happens to be the earphones. So here you see the actual earbuds are quite chunky. You've got a rubber coating on the surfaces that actually make contact with your ears, and the plastic part is on the outside. The ear tips are quite easy to remove and service. Then you've got little holes or vents at the top that usually helps in better bass response. And on the bottom, you can see the marking for right or left earbud. Then you have the little microphone capsule. There's no contact or control button on this. And lower down the line, you actually have the control pod. So there's the volume slider and there's the mute button slider. This thing has a little bit of tactile response to it, whereas the volume slider is super smooth. And on the back side, you have a single button. You also got a little slit for cable management. Aside from that, there is braiding on the cable that goes all the way to the connector from the control pod. And you can see that the connector is angled at about 45 degrees, and you've got a nice grip, which is quite huge. The tip is TRRS and it is gold plated. And as for the cable length, it's about 1.2 meters long. That's it for the unboxing of the JBL Quantum 50 wired in-ear gaming headset. Thank you for watching.